National Weather Service has issued a hurricane warning for Bay County, Calhoun County, Escambia County, Gulf County, Holmes County, Jackson County, Okaloosa County, Santa Rosa County, Walton County, Washington County, until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, multiple National Weather Service offices are closely monitoring the storms associated with the storm wall of Hurricane Clara have been detected. It is too late to board up windows. At this time, seek an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Do not use basements, as there is a risk of storm surge. $. NWS